magnetic aurora formation. 2, 3. Optical phenomena called what? Aurora. You heard of aurora? एक पंजाबी सरनेम भी होता है सरदारों का, ठीक है? Not सरदार, actually पंजाबी. There's a difference between Punjab and Sardar. Okay. Auroras, you know, Aurora. So this little different in the spelling is also little different. Okay, Aurora. Aurora is an optical phenomenon. First is optical phenomena. Or where you can see these optical phenomena? In the North Pole and South Pole. So optical phenomena in around poles. North and here what happened to the sky? Colors. Which colors? Generally, many colors possible, but one peculiar color observed. Right. Greenish colored sky. Right. Greenish colored sky observed. Optical phenomena at the Arctic and Antarctic region, you can see a green colored light. क्यों? इसका reason भी इधर ही है. Third. Greenish colored light observed over Arctic and Antarctic region. So why the greenish colored light observed? Because if you know little science, my habit is wherever the reasoning comes, I use proper science. Okay, chalo, reason batao. And koi batayega. Poles, where is the strength is highest? Come on. You know the magnetic strength is strongest at which point? Poles. Because magnetic lines are very close here. Very high concentration of the magnetic lines. Okay, wherever magnetic strength is high and you place an electric charge in magnetic field, what happened to that electric charge? Please understand. Suppose external magnetic field hai. Usme outside there are two things. One is charge, electrons, protons. Atmosphere contain which particles? Atmosphere contain electrons and what? Electron ka minus charge, proton ka plus charge, positive charge. Now these are the particles, they are placed into what? Magnetic field. They are placed in the magnetic field of the earth. And where the magnetic field is strongest or magnetic strength is strongest? Pole space. So now this, for this electron and proton, this earth magnetic field appeared what? External. This is one thing, this is second thing. So now you are placing charged particle into external what? Magnetic field. What happened to that charged particle? कभी करके देखा experiment? कभी सुना हुआ? Anyone from science 11, 12 में science किसने पढ़ा है? Okay, आप बताओ फिर. What when you place a charged particle? When you place a charged particle in electric and magnetic field, external magnetic field, what happened to the charged particle? Start under motion. It came into what? Cyclotron, synchrotron. पढ़ा आप लोगों ने this instrument? सब उड़ गया. कितने साल हुए पढ़े? How it's very long? So that is a good excuse. You can hold it. Okay, just for you, when charged particle, just please this, charged particles placed in what call? External what? Hello? Magnetic field. What happened to the charged particle? They came into what? Motion, acceleration. The particles get accelerated. Particles get accelerated. इसलिए cyclotron, synchrotron, positron, it's not positron, but these are kind of instruments are made. बात को समझिए. Particle get accelerated means speeded up. आपको बताऊं, अगर आप बहुत तेज से भाग रहे हो, you might have experienced it. Your experience is the science, nothing else. आप बहुत तेज से भाग रहे हो, like you're running very very fast, and stop, and what your body will do? Your body is emitting radiation. Yes or no? Heat energy. Radiation nothing but heat is like you get. Same is this the situation. This charged particle is under what? Actually, it happens with everything on this universe. When particles get what? Accelerated or speeded up, it will radiate what? Radiates its radiation or emissions. Please. Every object under motion will emit its own radiation or emissions. इसलिए इसमें who is emitting radiation? Hello? Charged particle, that is electrons and protons. and every emission has its own color. Every emission has its what? Own characteristic color. Radiates its emission in its own color. Emission is means charged like light energy. It's kind different type of light. So what colored light emitted out? Greenish. जो भी color दिखता है, all are emissions. It's not temperature perspective. It's like the electromagnetic radiation, which it will be many color depending on the emissions. It may be pinkish also, reddish also, but majority you can observe which color? Here in this case, greenish colored. Different colors are observed. Purple also been you can see. But mostly observed colored is what? So I said that when charged particle plays an external magnetic field, your charged particle come into what? Motion or get accelerated. Because of that, accelerated particle emits what? Radiation. And that every radiated particle produce their own characteristic colors, maybe red, green, orange, whatever it is. So greenish is the most popular color. जब इंटरव्यू में फेस करोगे, अगर आपको पता चल जाए you are engineer or 85% selection from engineers, okay? If they came to know you are engineers, and the interview panel, one of them technical people are there asking good questions in that. आप excuse नहीं बना सकते हो उसमें, ठीक है? आपने बहुत पैसा लगाया पढ़ाई में, उसके बाद आपने इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के यूपीएससी में आ गए हो.